Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Now my peeps, I'm gonna insert a clip and show you how, or I can show you now how the current situation of my living room is looking. So what I did, I transformed everything into silver and gray somewhat, all right? But now I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm gonna add a little color to my living room space. All right, I'm not going to change much, just the curtains and the cushion, and so I'm going to show you what I get from Amazon, and I'm going to hang it up, and then I'm going to show you. All right my peeps, so this is the current situation. All right, all chips bag on this, so you see that guys? Yeah. And that's it. This is the curtain. Let me pull it and show you. So that's how it's looking right there. All right, and my chair, I paint the legs in silver, put something on it. All right, some blanket, and I also put blanket in this one. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, let me show you what I bought. So I got these turquoise blanket from Amazon, and a set of curtain. I will leave a link. This was on sale, and I got this as well, so I'm gonna use it to put over that chair. It will be a short video. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change. It's summer now, so I think I'm gonna change the gray ones. You hear my son singing. I don't know what he's singing, say guys. And then I'm gonna leave the white or half white ones. Wow, I thought the lining in it, this part was white, but it's silver, even better. And they're thick. It's two-piece guys. I almost catch me afraid because I know say a two-piece me buy, so me go fi say how the hell them give me one piece. And they're super long guys. They're like 90 inches in length, so they're long, which is, I love the length. All right, so this is how these are looking. Add a little color. I thought it was gonna be a color close to this one, but that's okay, it will work. It will work. And I got the big one guys. This was on sale. If you buy the twin one, it's cheaper more than the throw, so I got the twin, so I got a huge one. All right, it's so big and I like it. Okay, so we're just gonna hang these up, and I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna put this over the chair. So I'm just gonna show you a before and after. So my room is like all gray and silver. Peeps, so this is it. My AC is running because the house is hot. All right guys, and this is how it's looking. So I made this side table here guys. It's really cute. All right, and this is, I just leave it simple as much as possible. And most of these pieces guys, I made them myself. I made this one here, and I made those wall sconces. All right, and I made this huge mirror. I got the mirror from the Dollar Tree. I think I showed you before, but anyhow, I made those. Most of the pieces here I made myself. All right, and then I made that unique one, and I made those. Okay, all right, and I bling out that side a little bit. And over here guys, this is how it's looking over there. All right, and right here I just put something there. I need to fix that little thing. I need to put some flowers in it or something. And that's how outside is looking. I think that's my neighbor had a pool in the backyard there guys. And these are the curtains with the windows open. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to show you a little bit better. And that's my DIY over there. I made a little clip of it. And this is the chair. I put the cover on it and a cushion, and I did paint the legs. And this is my table I showed you before I vamp it up. Oh, and guys, I also got these cushion from Amazon. I will leave a link there on sale now. Cheap. I think I pay $11 something for 4. They're like half price. All right, and this is a little color I put to my sofa, and this is my soft twin blanket. All right, and you can buy the throw one, but that one is expensive more than this one. This one is like double the size for cheaper. All right, put your money to good use, guys. All right, guys, and oh, this is me right here. I gotta comb my hair now, and this is how that's looking over there. All right, and here I just leave it as is with my Bob Marley thing there. Yeah, stir it up, little darling. All right, and I leave it as is there. All right, and that's me right here, guys, and that's the outside. Okay, and that's it so far, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna close the drapes now, and then I'm just gonna show you how it's looking with the drapes closed. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's how it's looking so far. All right, guys, now it's a little bit darker because I closed the drapes so you can see the color. I love them, guys. I really love them, and the streaks kind of tie into the half white one as well. And those streaks, guys, look at them, they are silver. It's so perfect. I love them. It looks so good, guys. And that's it when it's dark. I did most of these DIY pieces myself, and I'm in love with them. Okay, guys, I know you're noticing when we have this piece of board here, so I do, because you know how me tell you already, guys, me go buy a big TV. I mean, I have big TV. I mean, I have big TV stand, so therefore I add a little piece of board, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna get something nice to put there. So anyhow, this is it, and this is my curtains and my cushions. That's what I got. And then my throw right here are my twin size blanket, and I have a gray one here. All right, guys, and this is the color. It's summer now, and this is the color I add to my living room space, give it a little bright color. All right, and that's it, guys. All right, and you notice, guys, I have these like a rustic gold. And why I do that, because I want to add a little bit more difference to my room, because right here on the sofa it has gold legs, so I add these rustic gold lamps. I had them long time ago with my brown sofa, and I didn't change it. I'm glad I didn't, because I need those. I need a little color. All right, guys, and this is it. All right, love upon me, and I love upon you. So I will leave the link for everything that I got from Amazon, these, that, and my curtains. Okay, all right, and this is me here, guys. We give you a little dance. I'm gonna comb my hair for work now. Bye, guys. Oh, and I love this DIY mirror I have here too. I'm gonna take these down soon, but for now, that's it. Bye, guys.